Before you start applying TEC Flexera 2K PSA Hybrid Adhesive, make sure your subfloor is clean, dry, smooth, dust-free, and the surface is flat. Let's get started. Open the container. Get ready to mix Part A, the blue epoxy resin, with Part B, the cream acrylic polymer. Squeeze and empty the entire contents of Part A into Part B. Use a variable speed drill set at low speed, around 300 to 350 RPM, until you achieve a uniform blue-green color. Mix for 2 minutes. Scrape the container sides. Then mix for an extra 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure you mix thoroughly for the best results. Before you begin applying Flexera 2K PSA Hybrid Adhesive, make sure you're using the floor covering manufacturer's recommended notch-sized trowel. Apply adhesive to the area and allow the adhesive to become clear and tacky. That usually happens in about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the humidity and the temperature of the area.
For tricky flooring materials, such as non-PVC, install within 1.5 hours after the adhesive has dried.
Flexera 2K PSA can be used on most types of resilient flooring, including sheet vinyl, LVT, LVP, rubber, linoleum, sports flooring, and more. Remember, after installing the flooring, roll and cross-roll the entire installation with a 100-pound roller for a smooth finish. Don't forget to roll the seams, wall edges, and under toe kicks. The aggressive tack will hold those areas down for fast-track flooring installations. Flexera 2K PSA offers an open time of 1 to 4 hours, a pot life of up to 10+ hours, and is excellent for flooring applications that require heavy rolling loads, such as in healthcare or manufacturing facilities. To learn more, visit techspecialty.com.